Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please do subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. First of all, Merry Christmas you guys. So I know today this video is going to be live, so yeah, I just wanted to wish you all. Okay, so now let's talk about today's video. So today's video is gonna be all about New Year outfits. So I have some amazing outfit from Amazon because as you all know, New Year is just around the corner. So yeah, I will show you one by one, and if you like something then just grab it because Amazon is having a end of season sale, so you will get all of this in a very good discounted price. So yeah, now let's get started. Let's start with our first outfit. So the first outfit, I have this beautiful bottle green color skirt. So as you can see, it's a satin material and बहुत ही शाइनी वाला मटेरियल है, एंड यू विल गेट दिस प्लीटेड स्कर्ट all around, like यहाँ पे पूरे में you will get this pleat, and this is how the skirt looks like. This is how the bottom part looks like. I really love the material is really very soft, and this is perfect for New Year evening. You can wear crop top or you can wear tank top, sando, whatever you want. इसके साथ ब्लैक वाइट रेड बहुत ही कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेगा कोई भी अपर टॉप. सो आई रियली लव्ड इट. सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द लेंथ, तो ये आपको आपके नीज के वहां तक आ जाएगा. इट इज नॉट टू शॉर्ट और नॉट टू लॉन्ग. So this is a perfect for me because I don't like wearing very short. So yeah, I really loved it. So of course you will get a lots of color option in this one, but I think green was looking very beautiful. I wanted something to pair with this skirt, so I just ordered this beautiful white crop top. So the material is again same, it's a satin material, and again you will get a small pleat detailing over here, and then you will get a broad band over here which gives you a very nice fit. Sleeveless है, and I really love the fabric. It is so comfortable. Only thing that I don't like about this top is it is too loose for me. As you can see, the stripes are really very loose and it is not adjustable too. Like यहाँ पे you know एक clip होती है तो आप adjust कर पाते हो, but this does not have this. Even though I have order size small, फिर भी ये थोड़ा लूज हो रहा है. सो इफ यू आर बाइंग दिस देन जस्ट कीप इट इन माइंड कि ये साइज स्मॉल में भी थोड़ा लूज है. सो या otherwise very beautiful on me, and I'm sure it is going to look beautiful on everyone. So yeah, overall I really love. Second outfit that I have is this beautiful maxi dress. So this is the front part, and you will get this zip from the back. Now the one thing that I really like about this dress is you will get a big slit from the front, and it will give you a very sexy and chic look, I can say. So this is very beautiful option if you are something who do not like to wear very extra on New Year evening. So you can definitely go for this one. The material is very soft and it is a full length maxi dress. So yeah, very comfortable and very beautiful option. And of course you can pair it with diamond chokers or maybe beautiful diamond earrings or big hoop earrings. It will look fabulous. So I really like the color also. You will also get a lots of color option in this one. So yeah, you can definitely check this one out. Okay, now let's move on to my third dress. So this is a beautiful maroon dress, as you can see. So it has this full sleeves, net sleeves, and here you will get this border, and this is the front part, and then niche you will get this maroon plain side. So I really love the detailing. As you can see, it's a beautiful work going all around the neck, and this is perfect for party. Like if you are going for club or for any sort of a party, then this outfit is really very perfect. Again, this is not too short or not too long kind of a dress. So this is how it looks. The material is very good. बहुत ही अच्छा material है. And of course this net is really very soft, चुभने वाला बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. So this is a very comfortable sort of a dress. So of course you can wear it on a club, because if we are going for a party then we want something very comfortable and nice, so you know we can move around and dance around and enjoy the party. So yeah, this is perfect for party, and I really love the color. Like, this is such a beautiful color, you guys. Perfect for New Year evening, so you can definitely go for this one too. And I really loved it, and I think this one also was not too expensive. I will mention the price over here. Also guys, मैं जितने भी products आपको दिखा रही हूँ सबकी link मैं description box में दे दूँगी. So make sure to check it out. So yeah, this was my third outfit. Before I just forget to show you guys, मैंने random 2 product खरीदे हैं Amazon से while shopping all this dress. So this is the first product, which is Real Technique का concealer brush. So this is how the brush looks like. It's a beautiful brush. Like, it is very dense, and I really like the bristle. It's very soft. I must say this is a worth every single penny, because as you can see, it has covered my dark circle very beautifully. So yeah, this is the one. And now move on to my next beauty product, which is this Reniki lip gloss. So this is how it looks. It's a beautiful lip gloss, guys. So I really wanted a good lip gloss since so long, but मैंने Nykaa पे देखा lip gloss was very expensive. But then I found this on Amazon, and it was around 600 I guess, and really trust me, बहुत ही cheap है if you are looking for a lip gloss. And this is in the shade Nice and Nude. So I really love this, and I'm just excited to use this one. And let me just show you how does it look. It's a beautiful nude color, and as you all know, lip gloss is trending around. So yeah, I just really wanted to try this one out, and here it is. So this was my second beauty product. Okay, now again let's move on to our clothing items. So next outfit that I have is this beautiful sequence. Okay, so let's move on to my clothing item again. So I have this beautiful sequence dress. Just look at this. This is such a beautiful piece. Oh my god. जब मैंने इसे देखा था Amazon पे, so I did not expect something like this. लेकिन मुझे लगा बहुत ही ठीक ठाक क्वालिटी में होगा, but trust me, this is such a beautiful piece, you guys. Perfect for New Year evening, perfect for clubbing, perfect for birthday. Yeah, you can wear it on your birthday too, because it is such a beautiful piece, you guys. Now again, you will get a lots of color option in this. Like black में ही you will get this जो आपको golden दिख रहा है, you will get pink, blue, red, whatever you want. But I really like this one, and just look at this, looking so beautiful, right? And it has this full sleeves, not too full but 3/4 sort of a sleeve. And again, this dress is not too short, not too long, perfect for me. Like, I don't really wear too short dress because I don't feel that comfortable. And this is such a beautiful, I don't know how to describe my feeling, because I really loved it. ये पूरे whole में से this is one of my favorite piece, and the material is very soft, you guys. यहाँ पे velvet है, then velvet पे you will get this sequence work. So उससे पता चलता है कि ये कितना soft है, right? Inner side is also very soft. यहाँ पे ऐसे इनर दिया है, सो ये चुभने वाला बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. प्लस दिस इज वेरी कंफर्टेबल, बिकॉज मैंने ये जब वेयर किया आई वाज फीलिंग वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन दिस. एंड या आई रियली लव्ड इट, एंड आई थिंक यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस वन. इफ यू वांट टू बाय समथिंग फ्रॉम दिस होल, देन आई थिंक यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस वन. Okay, now let's move on to our last outfit, which is this beautiful jumpsuit. Just look at this. Again, it has sequence detailing going around. Just look at this. So you will get something like this on your neck, and then this is the sleeves. I really loved it. And of course मैंने shopping की है and मैं black color ना खरीदी हूँ. This is not possible because black is something which attract me the most. So this is the jumpsuit. And the fabric is really very thick and very good. I really love the fabric. It is very soft and very thick and good quality fabric. And this is from the brand Miss Chess. Now you will get a lots of beautiful pieces from this brand. So of course please check this brand because I really like their collection. I am in this size small and मैंने जितने भी outfit दिखाए हैं सब में मेरी size small है. So just keep that in your mind. So this is a beautiful jumpsuit and I think jumpsuit is really very comfortable option. So guys, this was all that I bought from Amazon and I just really love each and every outfit and I just hope you also loved it. And in case if you want to buy something, then I will make sure to link each and everything in the description box. So make sure to check it out. And as I said, Amazon पे चल रही है end of season sale. So आपको ये सब कुछ काफी अच्छे डिस्काउंट पे मिल जाएगा. लाइक मैंने जितने में खरीदा है उससे भी बेहतर डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा आपको. आई जस्ट होप कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. एंड इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन गिव इट अ थम्स एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो एंड प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. टिल देन जस्ट लीव लव एंड लाफ एंड yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.